Hi, I'm Dr. Teresa Hall, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon with specialized fellowship training in sports medicine. I currently see patients at my Michigan Orthopedics and Sports Medicine offices in Alma and Clare. As a sports medicine specialist, I really enjoy working with athletes of all ages and even following their careers into collegiate sports. In the past, I've worked with professional athletes in football, hockey, and lacrosse, as well as NCAA Division I athletes. As a former collegiate soccer player, it's important to me to connect with and care for other female athletes, but I treat patients of any gender and age and at any level of competition or recreation. My special interests revolve around arthroscopy, primarily of the shoulder, hip, and knee. I also perform a variety of open surgeries, shoulder and knee joint replacements, as well as fracture care, both operatively and non-operatively. When it comes to patient care, my philosophy is to listen closely to my patients, to understand what is afflicting them, and to create relationships built on mutual trust. I take time to understand their goals of treatment and plans for the future, and then customize a treatment plan based on their individual wants and needs. The most satisfying aspect of my job is using my hands to diagnose and treat patients and then helping them get back to the activities they enjoy most.